how to buy Grok Draw token. So this token came under the symbol of drawify. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use code below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 17 hours ago and increased by 700% in less than 4 hours, and also this token trending number 7 in this Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, I will show you how to do that. Just click here to copy the token address and open in front of my phone, as you can see. After that, click on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in search bar. As you can see, this is also going to click on it, and now click on I understand. After that, you can type here how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see. After that, click on price and now click on provider. Now select Jupiter, click on apply, now go back and you will be able to find swap here. Click on it, and after that you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy drawify token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.